Sir, Indian team has won Cricket World Cup today, Indian women's team for the first time. How do you react on that?
Yeah, Indian team has been able to break the jinx of not winning a ICC World Trophy. So this time they have done it, and we are very proud of the performance of our Indian team led by Harmanpreet Kaur. And on behalf of BCCI, I congratulate all the players, including the captain, the team support staff, as well as the persons who are behind their successful story.
So many ups and downs in the series and before the series also, but still the team came shining and won the World Cup. Defeated Australia in the semi-finals, defeated South Africa in the finals.
If you look at the performance of the team before the tournament, also Indian team was doing excellently well. If you look at the graph of last 6 months, they have done wonderfully well in the world white ball cricket. When our team went to England, they defeated England in the both 50-over matches as well as T20 matches. And thereafter, India played a series with Australia also. There, India lost the series by 2-1, but this was a very keenly contested tournament. And I'm sure with the confidence they have attained during the course of last 6 months, they have come to the ICC trophy and with a very positive mindset. In no doubt, there was three matches they have lost, which they should not have lost, but that has boosted their morale, and the team, they have performed in the quarterfinals sort of match with New Zealand. That showed the character of the team, and against Australia in the semi-finals, that actually has tested the nerve of the team, and Indian team has done exceedingly well when they have defeated 7 times world champion Australia in the semi-final to reach the final, and final was I would rather thank God and the whole team for their wonderful performance. They have outplayed South Africa in all departments today by winning the match by 52 runs.
India has won the World Cup, and ICC's cash reward will come to India for sure. But is BCCI also announcing parallelly something for the cash reward?
Definitely. We have to thank Jai Shah, who is the chair of ICC, because just 1 month prior to this tournament, they have increased the prize money of ICC World Cup Women's from 3.88 millions to about 14 millions. That is, there is a upshoot of about 300% of the prize money. That is for the teams to receive it. But as a wonderful performance today in DY Patil when they have defeated South Africa to win the championship, BCCI is elated, and without touching anything from the ICC's kitty, BCCI on its own is going to pay as a reward of 51 crores to the Indian team. That amount will go to the players, the selectors, as well as the support staff headed by Amol Majumdar.
So this is a very milestone moment for the Indian cricket and all the women's sports in India, because it's not only affecting cricket. It will encourage everyone in the sports field, be it cricket or any other field.
Precisely for that reason, I congratulate Harmanpreet, because they have been a game changer for women's cricket in India in the coming times. More specifically, if you look at the WPL, which was initiated in 2022-23 when Jai Shah was the secretary of BCCI, and also giving pay parity to the Indian women's cricketers in terms of their remuneration in international cricket matches at par with the men's counterparts. That was giving a lot of boost and encouraged the women's cricketers to take the game more seriously, more professionally. And today, with their lot of conviction, lot of their dedication, they have been able to take Indian women's cricket to a highest level. Till now, Indian women's senior team have not won any of the trophy so far as ICC is concerned. And now, with this trophy, this will be a game changer for women's cricket in India. And I am sure many girls from all across the country will be taking up this this discipline of cricket in a more sincere and more dedicated way, and they will be looking forward to build up their careers with cricket. And I am sure that BCCI will also support women's cricket in the coming times. But with this victory, our whole agenda will change, and it will go higher and higher in the coming times.
Can we say that this is just beginning?
Already, Indian team has reached the pinnacle, but to maintain our position at the highest level is the biggest challenge. So when we have won the championship, the next challenge will be how we are going to win the T20 World Tournament for women's, as well as the next tournament for ICC Women's 50 overs match. So it is a very tough thing, but to maintain that we have to work many harder than what we are doing earlier. So now lot of things will depend upon the whole ecosystem, and once we build up a proper ecosystem, then this will be the habit. So we have to change the habit of the Indian women's cricket with winning as their goal. If you look at today's Indian women's team victory in the ICC Women's 50 overs tournament, we got the trophy immediately. Earlier also, when we won the previous tournament in the Asia Cup in Dubai, India won the tournament by defeating all the opponents handsomely, including Pakistan, where India defeated Pakistan by 3-0. All the matches against Pakistan, India won without any difficulty. But in spite of that, the trophy has not landed in BCCI's office till date. That is really not very comfortable for us. But we are taking this issue. Already we have written to the ACC chairperson about 10 days ago, requesting the ACC to hand over the trophy to, or send the trophy to BCCI at the earliest possible time. But till this moment, we have not received back the trophy. We are waiting for another one day, because tomorrow is 3rd of November. If we don't get the trophy tomorrow, then from 4th, there is a meeting in Dubai in the ICC. So in that ICC's meeting, definitely we are going to raise this issue and raise our grievance before the apex body of the international cricket. And I'm sure ICC will do justice for India's claim to get the trophy at the earliest possible time.